Here you go. This is Vegan Sushi platter. Nigiri Sushi, I cut like this. I put in an oven. Make it shape. Today's video is how to make sushi part 3. How's it going, everyone? I'm Keita. Today I show you how to make Nigiri Sushi for vegan. So this here is Byron Bay. It's very popular vegan sushi here. I try to make vegan sushi by these ingredients today. Seaweed, broccolini, avocado, eggplant, capsicum green, red, and beetroot, pumpkin. I roast all vegetables and make it Nigiri Sushi for vegan for you. First step, I made sushi vinegar and sushi rice and Hosomaki. Second step, I made Chumaki and inside out roll. And this is third step, Nigiri Sushi for vegan. If you haven't checked these step 1, step 2 videos, please check it out before watching this video. Okay? Let's get started! I cut first capsicum. The size is like this. The size is like this one. I cut beetroots like this. Capsicum again. The size also same with capsicums. Next is the eggplant in half. I cut here. I cut like this sides, and then I cut like this. Next is pumpkin. Cut thin slice. Nice. Cut in a nice nigiri pieces, bit thick. Okay, like this, the thickness, and last is broccolini, like this. Oven is already heated up. I put nice amount of olive oil on it. And this oil is pretty important to avoid make it dry. Nice, shiny. The salt. I put in the oven. Okay, great. Broccolini is ready. It's beautiful. Okay, it looks perfect. Take it off from oven. Cooked beautiful. This one is a bit thin, but this is fine. Okay, yeah. Capsicums. Great. I removed the skin like this. Next is the beetroots. I removed the skin. Then, okay. Perfect. First is capsicums and get nice amount of rice and put here, and then put the air inside and roll it over, and then make it shape. Cool. It's like tuna. Next is green capsicum. Get nice amount of it. one. Eggplant. Here, nice amount of rice and roll it over and make it shape and make it shape and opposite side same, and this one also stop. And this one beautiful. Next is broccolini. I make like this sushi rice bowl and then put on top. This is cut seaweed. Roll it over like this. Beautiful. And here. Next, pumpkin. I get nice amount of rice. Same things. Here, roll it over, make nigiri. Like this. And then last, beetroots. Put here rice and then roll it. Ready? And I put hosomaki here. I put little bit ginger on the eggplant. There you go. This is vegan sushi platter. I showed you how to make this nigiri, and this is hosomaki. I showed you in the first video in sushi. Can I try? Yes. Okay. First, this beautiful capsicum. It looks like tuna. Oh. This red capsicum is nice and tender. I can feel little bit olive oil and salt and vinegar. It's very good match combination. Next, my favorite one, my favorite one, eggplant with this ginger. いただきます。Very nice. I love eggplant. Next, Broccolini. Very nice. Did you enjoy 3 sushi videos? Please try making sushi until 1, 2, 3 steps until step 3 nigiri like this. Please enjoy your cooking with your family, friends. Okay? See you in another video. Bye! Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. ありがとう。